Good day, ma'am. This is Ivy Mae Rosell from Bsed-Math A. So as what you've instructed, we'll be going to watch the film that you posted in our G classroom, which is entitled That Sugar Film. Then there are 2 questions. Then we'll be going to answer that one. So the first question is, discuss how the production and the consumption of sugar affect your journey towards the good life. The sugar consumption is not really the journey towards having a good life. Instead, it is the journey that may take into different diseases like what we call the strokes, the heart attacks, Alzheimer's, and even the cancers. We already know that the more sugar that we intake, it can affect or might lead to harden the arteries by being metabolized in the liver into LDL cholesterol and triglycerides. I think mostly all of us now knows that consuming food that is high in sugar and simple carbohydrates that convert to sugar leads to several health problems such as obesity, tooth decay, diabetes, and the coronary artery disease. But eating too much sugar also has negative effects on your brain. So here's the second and the last questions. How does the unreflective consumption of goods, in this case sugar, affect human life? So for me, the film simply shows or exposes the dangers when the sugar is intake excessively. It really demonstrates that it may lead in obesity and even the mental damage when the person itself take more than 6 teaspoons of sugar. It is being highlighted that the sugar is a socially acceptable form of addiction. In our daily lives, we don't realize or we don't know that there's a lot of sugar that we eat that is hidden on the foods that we intake. So just to make it short, consuming sugar will affect our life since we already know that consuming too much of it is unhealthy and can also lead to shorten our life. Sugar can kill us. This film served as an eye-opener that the more sugar that we intake is really bad to our health. And that would be all. Thank you.